हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो कैसी चल रही है आपकी टीजीटी की तैयारी? अगर आपका सपना है टीजीटी बनना तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए एक बूस्टर डोज है। आज पार्ट 5 में हम करने वाले हैं प्रीवियस ईयर कमीशन क्वेश्चंस की ऐसी तैयारी जो एग्ज़ाम हॉल में आपको एज देगी और सफलता की ओर ले चलेगी। तो शुरू करेंगे 101st क्वेश्चन के साथ। द ओरिजिनल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया इज़ प्रिजर्व्ड इन। ऑप्शंस 4 हैं आपके सामने। आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया, प्रेसिडेंट हाउस, प्राइम मिनिस्टर हाउस या पार्लियामेंट हाउस। कौन सा ऑप्शन सही होगा, आप जरा सा गेस कीजिए। जी, सही ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी, पार्लियामेंट हाउस। The original handwritten copies of the Constitution of India are preserved in a special helium-filled case in the library of the Parliament of India. Next है, the words socialist and secular were added to the preamble of Indian Constitution by which amendment? First, 7th, 42nd या 44th? Guess कीजिए please. जी, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी। द वर्ड्स सोशलिस्ट एंड सेक्युलर वर एडेड टू द प्रियम्बल बाय द 42nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट ऑफ 1976। नेक्स्ट है, नो पर्सन शैल बी अ सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया इफ़ ही हैज़। 4 ऑप्शंस आपके सामने हैं, आप वीडियो को पॉज कीजिए और ध्यान से इन्हें पढ़िए। आई होप आपने गेस कर लिया होगा। जी, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए। अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडियन सिटीजनशिप एक्ट, a person ceases to be a citizen of India if they voluntarily acquire the citizenship of another country. Next है, which of the following writs is sought to get an order of an authority squashed? तो ऑप्शंस है आपके सामने, हैबियस कॉर्पस, मैंडमस, सर्टियोरारी या क्वो वारंटो। गैस कीजिए प्लीज़। जी, ऑप्शन सी जो है वो बिल्कुल सही आंसर है। इट इज़ इशूड बाय अ हायर कोर्ट टू अ लोअर कोर्ट और ट्रिब्यूनल टू क्वैश एन ऑर्डर ऑलरेडी पास्ड बाय इट। नेक्स्ट है, विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इंश्योर्स दैट डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी कैन नॉट बी एनफोर्स्ड बाय एनी कोर्ट? ऑप्शंस हैं आर्टिकल 33, 37, 41 या 51A। आप गेस कीजिए प्लीज़। जी, सही ऑप्शन जो है वो है ऑप्शन बी। आर्टिकल 37 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एक्सप्लिसिटली states that the directive principles are fundamental in the governance of the country but are not enforceable by any court. Next है, the council of ministers are collectively responsible to the president, parliament, लोक सभा या राज्यसभा? जी, सही आंसर जो है दैट इज ऑप्शन सी। अकॉर्डिंग टू द आर्टिकल 75(3) of the constitution, the council of ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha, that is the house of the people. Next is, what is the minimum age to become the prime minister of India if he or she is a member of Rajya Sabha? तो ऑप्शंस है 25, 30, 35 या 45। Yes, the right option is option B, 30. To be a member of the Rajya Sabha, the minimum age is 30 years, which would be the minimum age for a prime minister from that house. Next है, how many members of the state legislative council are elected by the assembly? Half of the members, 1/3 of the members, 1/4 of the members या फिर 1/12 of the members? Guess कीजिए please. Yes, the right option is B. As per Article 171 of the Constitution, 1/3 of the members of a state's legislative council are elected by the members of the Legislative Assembly. Moving on to the next, the Supreme Court is empowered to settle election disputes of President and Vice President. This is its options है miscellaneous jurisdiction, advisory jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction या फिर original jurisdiction. So right answer is option D. The power to settle disputes covering the election of the president and vice president falls under the exclusive original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Next is, which of the following is administrative functions of a village panchayat? Yes, you have options like maintenance of road, providing sanitation and drainage, providing burial and cremation grounds, and all of these. So right option is option D. Village panchayats are responsible for a wide range of local administrative and civic functions, including all of the options listed above. Next is, during an emergency ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फंडामेंटल राइट्स आर सस्पेंडेड एक्सेप्ट। ऑप्शंस हैं फ्रीडम ऑफ असेंबली विदाउट आर्म्स, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन, फ्रीडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन या पर्सनल लिबर्टी। Yes, the right option is D. According to Article 359, the rights under Article 20 and 21 cannot be suspended during an emergency. Next is Planning Commission of India was a constitutional body, an executive body, a statutory body, or none of these. Please guess the right answer. Yes, B is the right option. The Planning Commission was established by a resolution of the Union Cabinet, making it a non-constitutional, non-statutory or executive body. Union Constitution Committee appointed by the Constituent Assembly was headed by Sardar Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad. Yes, option B is correct. The Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly of India was chaired by Jawaharlal Nehru. Next है which act formed the basis और blueprint of the Indian Constitution? तो options हैं Government of India Act 1909, 1919, 1935 या none of these. Please guess the right option. Yes, option C is right. The Government of India Act 1935 was a lengthy and detailed document, and many of its features, especially the federal structure, were adopted into the Constitution of India. Next is which part of the Indian Constitution deals with union territories? Part 6, Part 7, Part 8 या none of these? Yes, option C is correct. Part 8 of the Indian Constitution contains the articles 239 to 242 related to the administration of union territories. Next है States Reorganization Act was enacted in which year? 1952, 56, 60 या 66? Yes, option B is correct. The States Reorganization Act, which reorganized the boundaries of Indian states and territories along linguistic lines, was enacted in 1956. Next है the first woman president of India was Pratibha Patil, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Leela Seth या none of these? Yes, option A is correct. Shrimati Pratibha Patil served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012, becoming the first woman to hold the office. Next है the only Prime Minister of India who died abroad during an official tour was Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzari Lal Nanda, Morarji Desai, none of these. Yes, the right option is D. Lal Bahadur Shastri is the only Prime Minister to have died abroad. Since he is not an option, the correct choice is none of these. 119वां क्वेश्चन है द नंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा सीट्स इन सिक्किम इज 1, 2, 3 और 4. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए. द स्टेट ऑफ सिक्किम इज एलोकेटेड 1 seat in the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament. Last question for today. Who administers the oath to the governor? President, Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of the concerned state High Court या फिर Speaker of the concerned state Legislative Assembly? The right option is option C. The oath of office to the governor of a state is administered by the Chief Justice of the respective state's High Court. तो दोस्तों ये थे हमारे आज के क्वेश्चंस. दोस्तों याद रखो कि विनर वो नहीं जो कभी फेल नहीं होते, विनर्स वो हैं जो कभी हार नहीं मानते. तो चलो इसी जोश और हिम्मत के साथ HPTGT की तैयारी को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. योर ड्रीम इज़ वेटिंग फॉर यू. दोस्तों प्लीज़ लाइक, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.